Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this script hook v critical error in GTA 5 or GTA V. So the first thing is update the script hook, because this error appears because of the script hook isn't matching your current GTA V version or 5. Usually, of course, this will happen after Rockstar updates, so let's just fix this fast. The first thing is open a browser, go to the URL section, and in here we'll have to go and look for script hook v. You can also add download example if you want to. So once you do so, just go and click on the first link. And of course, we'll have to go and download it. So you can also, for example, follow this installation if you don't know how to install it after, of course, you download it. So of course, you download the zip file. And of course, basically, you'll have to copy the DLL file from the bin folder, paste it into your GTA 5 roots folder, where you'll find, of course, GTA 5.exe. As you can see, they'll tell you exactly how to do it here. So, of course, you can also then choose copy and replace when prompted. And, of course, this will not work. As you can see here in GTA Online, the script hooks also will just work in the multiplayer. So now, this is, of course, the option that will fix this problem. But if this doesn't work, you'll have to go and disable or remove the conflicting mode. And, of course, the modes can sometimes clash. So you can go and re-verify your GTA 5 installation via the Steam or Epic Games, depending, of course, where you download it from, to basically fix the corrupted files. If none of those two options work, if the script hook 5 hasn't updated yet, your only safe option is to wait for the new script hook V release. And of course, avoid downgrading your GTA 5 or GTA V. If it's, of course, it may work, but it's unsupported and also risky. And if nothing works, you can try, for example, as a final hope to reinstall everything and hope for the best. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.